So today, if you don't know, you will know that I'm going to be tie-dyeing some t-shirts today. I am actually going to tie-dye this shirt, but just to show it to you guys, before I tie-dye it, I'm going to be dyeing this shirt and 2 other shirts. Thank you guys for being here. As you can see, I have this t-shirt on. Let me know down in the comments down below if you like this t-shirt. As you can see, I'm right here in my car, y'all. So I'm on my way to work, and check out the fit. Got on my nice little shirt or whatever with the chinos or whatnot. Just some regular old work shoes or whatever. Some Nikes, Nike 200 to be exact.
So check this. Tomorrow, y'all, I'm gonna make this today a vlog or whatever. So in that aspect, I know you guys don't want to see a vlog or whatever because you came here for the t-shirt, but we're gonna get to that in about another minute. Another minute. Wave check real quick. Real quick. Ooh, dazzling, spark.
So as you guys kind of see right now, it is nighttime currently, and I'm gonna go home and have me some salmon, and yeah, back to the video. Good morning, y'all. So currently I'm in my room, and today is Friday. Today is Thursday. Yeah, today is Thursday, y'all, and tomorrow is Friday. The shirts have been sitting overnight. I had them dyed since 11 last night, so I'm gonna wait till Friday, and then I'm gonna rinse them out and then wash them, do what I gotta do. All right, so today is the day we unravel the t-shirts, rinse them out.
You can see here I have the gloves. Today is the day, you guys. I'm about to rinse these shirts out. So without further ado, let's get right into it. That purple really sticking in good. Ooh, hard color, so let me try this again. So you want to wash it till it's almost clear. I'll pretty much till it's clear. But it's nearly about undrinkable. That's good enough. That one, so this is the first shirt. I'll show the reveal later on. This is the second shirt.